following is a presentation of a solution that gives you maximum control over your ERP output. B2Win Suite from Nasdaq allows you to transform, design, and distribute ERP business documents, and to do all this with a personalized message to your business partners, all with one click. It allows you to easily generate tabular Excel reports based on ERP reports, not just to present data, but also to help you make sense of it. B2Win Suite allows for plain business documents to get more flavor by producing professional-looking PDF documents to reflect your company's business identity. It also allows you to distribute these documents digitally to your customers, suppliers, and internal users. B2Win Suite is a product by Nasdaq, a company that has more than 20 years of experience in providing customers with output management and reporting solutions for ERP systems, especially for Infor Ln and Baan users. Nasdaq serves hundreds of customers worldwide. Among its customers are several Fortune 500 companies, as well as medium-sized companies. Working closely with customers for so many years and listening to their specific business requirements, Nasdaq has seen firsthand how much effort and money companies put into customizing and enhancing their ERP systems. Based on this rich experience, B2Win Suite was developed and launched at the end of 2016 and has been widely adopted by many companies since then for managing their outgoing ERP business documents from creation to distribution. B2Win Suite is a software package geared towards customer communication and output management. It can be installed on-premise or in the cloud. It specializes in converting ERP documents and reports into formats such as PDF, Excel, XML, Word, HTML, and others. In addition, it enables business users to apply a design on canned reports from their ERP system for smooth and automatic conversion to powerful Excel sheets. It also allows companies to produce designed business documents, such as invoices or purchase orders. Once reports and documents are designed and transformed, B2Win Suite allows ERP users to seamlessly automate their distribution via multiple channels, such as email, fax, archiving, printing, messaging, FTP, or automatically posting to other systems via an API. With B2Win Suite, businesses can simplify, streamline, and optimize business communication internally and with business partners via multi-channel personalized distribution. We're going to show you a brief example of how this works. While working with your ERP system, you have a need to move a report to Excel for additional data calculations. You can do this by printing the report to a special device, which is a connector to the B2Win Suite. In a few moments, the following screen is launched in your browser. B2Win Suite is a single and easy-to-use multi-purpose interface that consists of 3 core applications. B2 Transform, for converting reports to Excel, PDF, Word, and other formats. B2 Design is an easy-to-use design tool that allows you to customize existing canned reports before converting them to Excel. It is a design tool for turning the complicated ERP reports and preparing them for B2 Transform to convert them into a professional and structured Excel sheet. B2 Design can apply data to a pre-prepared template to automatically generate reports with graphs, multiple sheets, and pivot tables. B2 Design allows for designing PDF files as well. It has a "what you see is what you get" design tool to customize existing business documents such as invoices, purchase orders, and sales order acknowledgments to reflect your company's business identity. You can use a pre-designed template or create a custom template, moving text around, changing fonts and colors, and adding logos and barcodes. B2 Design is used for preparing the documents for B2 Transform to convert to PDF. B2 Distribute is the application used to distribute reports and documents over multiple distribution channels, such as email, fax, messaging, print, and archive. B2 Distribute includes a smart engine that is capable of automatically recognizing the type of document being printed. If it is a purchase order, for example, then it can parse the output run into multiple purchase orders. It is then able to identify the supplier that the order is supposed to be sent to, identify the right contact person, and the preferred delivery method of the recipient, whether email, fax, or any other means. Setup and configuration of the system is easy. Once it's done, the creation of the documents and reports, converting them, applying the design, and distributing them can all be done automatically with one click from within the ERP system. Are you ready to get maximum control over your ERP output? Contact us today